Amit, what's your view on the markets over the next 6 to 12 months?
Great question. I mean, if I knew, we'd be doing this meeting on my yacht, right? But I think my feeling is there's going to be a lot more volatility to come. If we're looking at VIX, for example, VIX was sky high in March and April. So I don't think we'll go back to those levels, but I think with the US election in about 11 days, right? We're going to have the US election. There could be another correction. The whole world's waiting for a decision on stimulus because the US does lead in terms of the direction of the market. So I think, we'll have some maybe higher than average volatility, but as I've said, it's better to be invested, at least partially, than sitting out waiting for that right moment, because that moment will never happen.
If you had to make a really aggressive trading decision right now, what would be your favourite bet?
I will intentionally say here I can't say, because our business is independent financial planning, so it really depends on who you are. I've got some clients who are like deep into retirement. They're 80, 85 years old.
Okay, what about for you?
For me?
Yeah. If you had to bet the farm on something right now, what would it be?
Wow, you've caught me out. I've got my ideas on what would be some good trades, but again, I don't like to be public on my trading ideas, because that's not really our business. So I can tell you off the cuff when we start filming, but we're a financial planning firm, and I'm not going to tell you what
You're not gamblers.
We're not gamblers. I don't mind buying I don't mind buying a stock which I think is going to do well, but it's not really the focus of our business. But my view is really it's better to be in the market partially, whether it's a 50-50 or a 60-40 portfolio. It's good to have money in the market and alternatives and fixed income and other assets, because over time the idea is to grow your wealth and beat inflation and build a secure nest egg for your future.
And amazing.